Hello, have you ever tried a yellow lipstick? I mean, as absurd as it sounds, it's also very interesting, and if there is interesting, I have got to be the one to try it.
So here goes nothing.
I mean, the color payoff is really good. Let me just apply it for the whole of my lip and then give my actual reaction.
I can't smile. Oh god. I'm like, oh god, I can't talk. It's okay.
Honestly, this looks like a traffic light. Wait, that's actually not a bad idea. Keeping that aside, I'm not sure how many of y'all are experimental with the shades of lipstick y'all chose, but this is definitely a cool color. If you ask me if I would buy this lipstick again, I would. Like, hear me out, I would. Not for the lipstick, but for the eyeliner. Like, I've done it right here. It's always a win-win. Instead of a lipstick, you can use it as a graphic liner.
I mean, there's beauty in everything, right? Not after this.